Rollo, shush. Go in the room. Go in the room. Rollo, go lay down. Hey Dymes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name's Dymes, and I like to post videos about beauty, lifestyle, hair, all the good stuff. Okay. Today's video is about polygel nails. Yes, I went out and bought a polygel nail kit after watching all the... I went online and bought a polygel nail kit like everybody else after seeing all these bomb videos, girls doing polygel nails straight out the box, and then coming out flawless like they just walked out the nail salon. No, no. I don't know what these girls is doing, but it is not right, okay? You cannot get the nails that these YouTubers are getting with just this nail kit, first of all, okay? Let me show you what comes in it. A mini LED lamp, nail liquid solution, comes with the cord, of course. You get this tiny bottle of polygel, and then instructions. You get alcohol wipes, okay, and then it comes with the little scraper and the brush tool, two-piece. Okay, that's kind of cool. And then of course you get the nail forms. Okay, yes, that's enough to get started. But if you really want your nails to be flawless, to last, first of all, not slide around, be smooth, not sticky, professional looking shade, you need a nail drill. Okay, you need a nail drill. So if you're just a regular girl like me, wanting to try something new, save some coins, this is a waste of money unless you have a legitimate nail drill. And I'm gonna pop up a picture of the one that I just bought so that I can do my polygel nails, okay? I'm the type of girl, it's all about shape for me. I don't do a lot of designs and bling blow. I used to do that back when I was 18, 10 years ago. Okay, that's over for me. I like simple, clean, sexy nails with a bomb shape, okay? So this was never gonna be enough for me, okay? It's not gonna be enough for you either, girl, because we have standards, okay, period. I was able to get about 2 to 3 uses out of this so far, and that's doing a full set 3 times out of this bottle. You really gotta squeeze it, okay? Once it starts getting low, you really gotta squeeze it. Oh, it still actually has a lot of product in there. You gotta work it. See, that it's just easier if you have a bigger bottle. There it is. Okay. And I'm gonna post an Amazon link for a better set for you to do your nails and have everything you need once you buy the nail drill. I'll post the link for the nail drill as well. Hopefully from there you'll be able to get your bomb polygel nails. But these YouTubers was not gonna tell you that, okay? They just want you to purchase the damn kit and believe that magic is gonna happen. It's not a nail drill, sis, okay? So don't buy that polygel nail kit to invest in the drill first. And another thing, a base coat and a top coat, and it needs to be the gel. And you need to only cure it after you apply the base coat to your nail. Cure it only for 30 seconds. It needs to still be sticky. And then you apply the nail form on top and cure it together so they cure and harden on your nail. Otherwise, if you cure the base coat until it's slippery and shiny and then apply the nail, it's gonna just slide around and it's gonna ooze out all over the side. See, I've watched so many videos and nobody said that. Nobody's told me that tip. So there you go, sis. Put you on game, all right? Put you on game. So now you know everything you need, sis. Once again, the nail drill, and then you need the legitimate nail, more polygel than just this, okay? I'm not saying this fall gel ain't good. It's good, it worked it good, but you just need more. All right, everybody, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. And be sure to check out my shorts, y'all, on Instagram at It's Dymes, okay? And connect with me, message me, leave a comment, tell me what you think, what you're thinking, what you like, what you want to see more of, okay, you guys? Thanks again for watching, and I'm out.